Hey guys, and welcome to another day in the life at JAlly Farms. We had a big windstorm and some rain last night. Didn't get a whole lot of rain, about a quarter inch, which is surprising because, the wind and everything. We had about a 70-mile-an-hour gust, not really gust, but 70-mile-an-hour steady for about 20 or 30 minutes, 45 minutes maybe. And got a lot of tree branches sticking over. As you can see, right there, and right there, there's a lot more, a whole lot more. Let me kind of take you with us. And the trees, I need to shorten the legs here so you won't keep getting stepped on. Okay, here we go. We're going to take you down here. Yeah, we don't have a whole lot of damage. We got more of a mess than any damage. So, got limbs here everywhere. The corn, the Indian corn here, seems to have fared pretty well. And we're going to take you around the pumpkin patch. Which I don't see a whole lot of damage here. I mean, everyone's worried that most of it is, or not most of it, but we lost a lot of them. But I don't know, they seem to be okay for the most part. Leaves are getting big, and I don't even know if there's a way in there after a while. Oops. There's a way in there. I think I might cut that out for a bit. But it all seems to be okay. All seems to be okay here. Yeah, there's some, but I think that one was kind of dying out anyway. But now the corn hit it. They got it pretty good, but I don't know. We got it all right. I think the corn fared pretty well. Now, I do wanted to take you over here. Wow, look at that. What are the chances of that happening? Wow. What are the chances of that happening? We had a stick that went into there. And a whole bunch. Overall it fared pretty well. The garage door here, that was leaning out big time. And here we go to the area here. Okay. This branch came off of that tree right there. That tree is dead, and it is in the easement area of our property. So I'm thinking, and so is Irvin, that the city needs to come cut this tree down. We got a big old branch right there in front of you, and that's about 30-ish feet. And I know it's not bad, but you know, it didn't cause any damage, and it did miss the trees. But the trees that it was on, well, they weren't doing so well anyway, and you know, we were going to be replacing them. We have already counted those trees off, so. But let me show you in the creek area. And, you know, to our surprise, the piles are still intact. I'm kind of surprised. So, that old tree, I can't get it. The little tree there got lucky. Let me take you down there. In this area, we've gotten all cleaned out all the way over there. I mean, this is about a good 100 feet. And we're gonna show you all in here. Tree all the way over. This was all cleaned out, and this all came over from the trees over there. There's about 3 or 4 trees that were in there that all fell down, or got blown down, really. So, and basically a lot of the damage, not really a whole lot of damage, just a lot of cleanup that we could have